After a
Hi.
long time,
Hi.
after a long time, we are back again with
Yes.
another category, which is a very, very important category. And I'm sure we all would have been waiting for it with an equal excitement as we were waiting for the previous one, autism and spirituality.
Yes.
Today, today we will be talking about autism and the sensory system. And I'm sure not even one single parent who is listening to this webinar right now would not agree to this, that either in the past or presently they have or are struggling with these sensory issues and unable to figure out and understand how best they can help their child. So
Yes.
who other than the child who has himself gone through all that, the struggling phase, and how you have given him that understanding, understood him so that he's able to express it with everyone, not just to you or in his writings, but he's expressing it for everyone and for other children also. So, as always, I haven't gone through the answers. I just work on the PPT very mechanically. So, today we are here, guys. Neha, Navneet, our team, Vigya, and we have one more member joining us, which I'm keeping a surprise here. But in the
Uh,
next video, you will be seeing her
but
too. Yeah. So,
yes,
so
missing Vigya today. Hmm.
yeah, that's what I was just about to say. On the screen, you might not find one or two of us always, but it's a team. As a
Yes.
team, we are working behind it. So primarily, the director, the writer, and everything is Navneet. We are just hosting and conducting it for him as a team. Yeah. Okay, guys, so I'm just skipping this part because you all know now what Sigan Mantras is, and the previous videos we've detailed quite about it. So here today we are with the category under this series Q&A with Navneet, autism and sensory system. Moving to the questions and answers. Our first question is, Neha, would you read the
Yes.
question?
Yes. And the first question is, my son keeps pinch hit most of the time without any reason. Rub his private part with my leg when he hugs me. 7 years male, verbal, need based. How can how I can help him?
Okay, so guys, Neha will be able to relate more with the answers, but today I am reading them out, and Neha will add whatever she feels like is missing here or will give us a better understanding. So, Navneet's answer to this question is, this is the aggressive nature to seek your attention. Your behavior towards him, many times, child gives emotions, risking either themselves or others, because to seek attention from you, they do not know to express their thoughts, how to know how to express. So we need to teach them emotions, labeling it, make an emotion chart to tell them, giving examples through some stories, fitting to your expectations, sometimes disturb an autistic mind. You have to teach them any task which showing his interest. If anything becomes forcible, then bad emotions take place. You observe the reason behind hitting and pinching, and don't make him telling to stop hitting, pinching, so he may do it more. Replace some soft things to hit and pinch. When he becomes calm, you try to ask the reason. Rubbing his private parts may be something calming techniques he's feeling, but you can use some sensory brush for calming the tactile sensory, using it on the hands and legs. Feeling like rubbing the private parts, there may be many, many reasons for paying attention on him, what he watches on TV or mobile, the YouTube videos. You have to keep an eye on him. He is not in teenage to seek for masturbation, but you have to tell him about good and bad touch. Anything, Neha, that you feel
So,
like um,
yes,
here?
yes. In this note, there are many reasons for that. He has given the two, three examples of it. In this, I want to add some points. He was he wrote about the sensory brush. Yeah. Sensory brush he has wrote for tactile calming. 5 years before, I used this tactile therapeutic brush, for
The
calming,
Will
and it
Barges, the
was a
Will
sensory.
Barges brush.
I'm audible.
Yeah, 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 Neha. Yeah.
I was using the sensory brush, 5 years back. He was a sensory seeker at that time, and he was a little bit hyper also. I was using the therapeutic brush, sensory brush, which I want. I think many of the parents know about this brush. Can you see this brush? This is
Hmm.
the brush,
Yes, Neha.
sensory brush, which I used for Navneet for calming and for sensory seeking also. You know, uh, but it was help. It helped me a lot. I don't know many parents and occupational therapists are using it, or they may be guiding up for this, preferring this for the parents or not. I don't exactly. I don't know, but 5 years back, what I use this for calming, his for even for sensory seeking and for calming, it helped me a lot. Uh, uh, Means a whole day. It is the Berger protocol. It is a proper technique which we have to use in a proper way, and it gives not only it is used for calming technique, and it helps for the sensory seeking also. It helps a lot. If even for the child who is hypersensitive to tactile, giving them with the gentle touch, using it for the with the gentle touch while rubbing, it gives a calming, and no, it balances the tactile system, nervous system, for the hyperactive, hypersensitive child also. And it is useful for in the three ways, for the kids. So I used it. It helped me a lot, at that time. But now he is balancing himself. That's why I'm not using this sensory brush now. But I think many of the parents may be knowing about this sensory brush. But if not, occupational therapists should at least they should guide about the sensory brush. So that if they are at the center, therapy centers and all, they will be manageable. After coming home, whole day they will be with the parents. If the parents come to know about this technique and about the sensory calming techniques using this brush, and it will be very useful for the parents. At least उतना तो थेरेपिस्ट पेरेंट्स को इस बारे में अगर
Guide
इंफॉर्मेशन
कर
देंगे,
सकते
प्रॉपर
हैं.
गाइड करेंगे, तो बहुत यूज होगा पेरेंट्स को। इसके इस
In
वीडियो और
fact,
इसके मैं रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूंगी बहुत सारे थेरेपिस्ट को, that please, if you are using this as a part of the therapy at the centers, please train this technique for the parents
train.
also, so that we can
Exactly.
manage you at the
Yeah,
home
because
also.
Neha, even I have used this for my child, and one of the therapists had guided me. But later, the mistake that I did was I
Mm,
started following some YouTube videos कि इसको और कैसे use कर सकते हैं. I did not know that it is a protocol, and there's a
mm.
specific
Yes.
way to be used, specific number of times to rub, कब करना है, कितनी बार करना है. It varies from child to child, and how you have to do it. You definitely need a guide and a therapist to work
Proper
with.
technique. Mm.
Yeah. So thank you so much, Navneet, for putting about that brush, and Neha giving us details about that, because I myself have experienced and seen the change in Vian. But again, it's very important. Please do not do any hit and trials with any such
No,
thing.
it is very easy to carry also. Wherever if you go, it is very easy to carry also.
Yeah,
If
it's
you
called
know the proper
Vilbajos.
technique, if
Yeah,
you
it's
know the
easily
proper
available
technique
on.
to use, it's very good, and it will be very comfortable for the child also whenever you go out.
Right. Yeah, but I will emphasize, please do not start using it right away because it's easily available on Amazon. तो हमें लगता है कि हम order करके try करके तो देखें. Sometimes the sensory issues go even more on the higher side. So do
And
consult a therapist.
at least एक के बाद अगर एक next time whole day, it's a whole day you can use it, but with a gap duration, for at least for 2 to 3 hours there should be a gap between the brushing techniques and
Correct, correct.
therapy.
That's what I said. There are many things to it, many things
Mm.
to it. And here through this presentation, you just getting one more techniques, name and idea and how much it has worked for Navneet and for my son. But don't follow it right away following some YouTube videos. Do consult a therapist
Please
before
consult.
you
That's
start.
why I'm telling. Please consult the occupational therapist and discuss with
Yeah,
about and learn from them how to use this brush in a proper way. And for the hypersensitive and the hyposensitivity, it should be the pressure should be not pressure is not the same way. For the seekers, they it's need a deep pressure. For the seekers, and for the hypersensitive kids, it need a gentle touch, and the flow should be in the same way. While rubbing it from the shoulders to the palm, the flow should be in this with rhythm. सो ये ऐसा ये ब्रश ऐसा नहीं है कि जैसे कपड़े के ऊपर ऐसे स्क्रब करते हैं ऐसे नहीं है it should
exactly,
be used in
exactly.
a proper way in the so technique मैं if I want in this matter the therapist should help the parents how to use this
Right.
technique so that it will be easy
Yes.
for the parents to use.
Right. And
Uh,
one more thing I would like to emphasize here, जो emotional expression वाली बात नवनीत ने कही है, that is the primary thing we need to work upon. And in fact, I mean, this is an answer to many, many questions. Directly, indirectly, hidden, apparent, आप जैसा भी समझ लें, but making the child, and it's a three-step process. इमोशनल अंडरस्टैंडिंग, देन इमोशनल एक्सप्रेशन, एंड देन कम्स द रेगुलेशन. उसमें भी पहले होता है सेल्फ रेगुलेशन एंड देन को रेगुलेशन एंड देन सेल्फ रेगुलेशन. सो डू वर्क ऑन द इमोशनल अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ योर चाइल्ड एज अ प्रायोरिटी थिंग, द प्राइमरी थिंग. ठीक है. And this has not just helped Vian or Navneet. In fact, many kids who I'm working with, I have seen them outgrow many behaviors and many issues once they are able to express their emotions. और expression तभी आएगा जब उसकी understanding आएगी. हर चीज़ में पहले receptive part आता है, फिर expressive आता है. So similarly, emotional understanding is the receptive part. उस पे काम करेंगे, and then the emotional expression, and then comes the regulation part, which is the question here. So very important things have come up in the first answer itself. आगे आगे देखेंगे क्या आता है. है ना.
And
So
whenever you're giving the mobile or the anything, gadgets, just keep an eye on your kid what they are watching.
yeah.
अभी के बच्चे ठीक है, but when they grow up, they come with the very bad. They should not take it as come out with the bad behaviors and all. Good
Absolutely,
touch and
that's
bad touch
also a
is
very
very
important
important.
thing.
जब जब तभी when your kid is very small, no, then keep starting teaching him about this. It's very important about the good touch and the bad touch. Then
Hmm.
when they grow up, they'll get used to it. They will behave in a proper way.
Yeah. Okay, Neha, let's move to the next question.
Mm. My son zones out with his finger, stimming and singing continuously. When left alone, I understand he doesn't know what to do, so he does that. But even when he is doing something, he suddenly leaves it and starts stimming with fingers and non-stop singing, like he will be playing catching ball, and suddenly leaves the ball and does that. What might be the reason?
Okay. So Navneet says he's singing the song with mood. You have to introduce good songs with dance. Some enjoy the music and singing, catching rhythm in the air. So teach him some instruments to play so music with movements will sound good for him. Or you can sing and dance with him. You can also try some Zumba. Vati.
बहुत
So he's
बहुत सारे
in a
ideas
different
हैं. Zumba,
different dimension.
whenever I make him to do for some brain gym or some physical activities, he never cooperate with me without music. कुछ ना कुछ ऐसे जोश लाने के लिए कुछ ना म्यूजिक प्ले करना ही पड़ता है मुझे. So then only he will do it. It will not become forcible
Music,
for
किसी भी
him.
चीज में म्यूजिक वर्क्स एज बोथ ना, मोटिवेशन एंड एनहांसमेंट दोनों चीजों का काम करता है. आई
I
प्ले
mean,
म्यूजिक नॉट ओनली लाइक जुम्बा डांस, ये तो खैर है ही, विच कम्स विद लाइक 90% रोल म्यूजिक का है, 10% इज द बॉडी मूविंग ऑन द रिदम. बट अदरवाइज ऑल्सो हम चाहे प्राणायाम करें चाहे योगा करें कोई ऐसे सटल चीजें भी कर रहे होते हैं तो भी वी नीड सम म्यूजिक इन द बैकग्राउंड टू कीप अस engaged and engrossed in that. Good, Navneet. I am so much in love with the answers he gives, no?
जुम्बा अभी शुरू करना पड़ेगा बच्चों के लिए सिंपल स्टेप्स so that movement भी हो जाएगा, mind भी relax होगा, not only for the children, for the parents, mothers also.
Yeah. See, we already have Prachi's fundamental movement skills classes have started, which is a lot of different movements, and then yoga classes, which I'm doing from long. And we already have means a lot of things going on. And then the activity classes, which have recently started, the group sessions, that also comes with theme. So we'll definitely keep dance as a theme in one of the sessions.
Yes, sure.
Yeah. Chalo, next. Hanji Neha.
How to redirect lot of self-talking and self-laughing?
This again is a very, very common question. Let's see what Navneet says. So he says self-talking is because child wants to develop language by sharing more talking words to form a sentence. Everyone self-talks with themselves, especially when a word read in mind shows more confidence for a child to speak. That's correct. For replacing it, we talk, join him in the conversations with him. So he starts paying attention to you and it builds a joint attention. Self laughing just seems funny, give no point to parents or to others, but child has the reason. Feeling of some pain sometimes makes a child to laugh. They don't know to label their emotions, right way of expressing emotions. Sometimes the full picture gives a room for making animations in mind. Some talks of people gives a child funny sounds, high notes give a scribbled picture to a child. Don't talk with a child loudly. Feeling the sound of talks vibrates in their ear heavily, throwing any object inside ear. You try to read the emotions of a child, not always a funny moment, but pain also makes them laugh. Such a valid point. I mean, as a special educator also, what whenever parents discuss this with me कि हमारा बच्चा बहुत self talking कर रहा है and there's a lot of laughing thing, they already come up with a lot of inferences drawn कि मैम इसको फंगल इन्फेक्शन होगा क्या, ईस्ट ग्रोथ ज्यादा होगी क्या, या ये सिर्फ स्टिमिंग है क्या. आई मीन वी ऑलरेडी हैव सच अ एक वो प्री सेट हमारा माइंड सेट होता है कि हाँ यही 10-8 कारण हो सकते हैं. बट आई डोंट नो नेहा, मे बी यू वुड वांट टू थ्रो सम लाइट ऑन इट.
Yes, when he started communicating, through typing, then only I came to know that why he loves. Even he was having laughing, inappropriate laughing. What I used to feel, no, whether it came with the reason, he came up with the reason, last 2 years before only when I asked, I feel like laughing when I have gases, he was having some stomach issue at that time, but the gases make sounds that feels me so funny. He used to tell me, they have the reason, whatever their behavior looks, looks funny for us, but they have the reason, when they come up with the reason, then we have to think in their way,
See, like the example you just shared, Neha, if it is the gases जिसका sound या overall thing is making them feel funny and they laugh aloud, but वो चीज अंदर से भी एक uneasiness तो cause कर ही रहा है ना. That's the uneasiness which he has mentioned. It's not just the funny moments always, but the pain also makes them laugh. So pain,
what are the pain also, they cannot express it in the proper way. They don't know that ये pain है, इसको ऐसे react करना है, ऐसे express करना है. Means their expressive language is very low in some kids. That's why they are unable to express it in the proper way. That's why the teaching the emotions and is very important. Especially for the pain. Whenever there is a pain, especially the pain. Whenever they are feeling they are in the pain. At least we should help them in such a way that they verbally or non-verbal way of communication. We have to teach them how to express their pain. That is very important. Many of the tantrums and the behavioral issues also happens because of this also.
That's
the pain,
true. That's true.
And sensory
pain,
overload.
Pain doesn't always mean in the very literal sense, मतलब किसी भी तरह का internal pain, emotional pain, physical,
Yes,
mental,
yes.
it can be any kind of a hurt which is causing them that uneasiness and pain, na? So we definitely need to find out that reason.
Uh, when I explained him, not only you, even we are also human being. Even what are the organs and the functioning, what you are having, same thing we are having. Even I also have that cancer. Even we all have that. When I made it clear, then he
Then
became,
he got it.
from that time,
Yeah.
90% of the laughing. For this reason, he has
Yeah.
to.
So see, identifying the reason is the key. You found out the reason and you helped
What
him
the thing?
accordingly. Yeah.
When
So all
he
our children
expressed.
would have different reasons, guys. We need to find out that reason first.
Yes.
है ना? So the same thing I face a lot when I see cases like homeopathic perspective से. जब आपके पास केस आता है ना, people come with the diagnosis कि हमें ये चीज है, but not necessarily everyone has the same thing surfacing up for the common reason. हर किसी के reasons अलग होते हैं, and we do a detailed case taking, case history to understand and come to the pinpoint reason behind that. तब फिर उस हिसाब से medicines और we work that ways. सो गुड नवनीत के मेथड्स और सारी थ्योरीज बड़े वो हैं साइंटिफिक और वर्केबल और
Actually,
आई
maybe
रिलेट वेरी वेल विद इट
he's coming with more reasons, the self talk also and for the self laughing also. There may be many reasons we have to observe. He's
वाओ
given this
यस
list of observation, so parents start observing all this. What what Navnita has wrote.
चलो we'll move to the next one second हाँ नेहा
How to realize child to sensory issues to control in society?
okay so Navneet says what type of sensory issues you want to control you have not mentioned but instead of controlling be patient to zone them comforting by giving something to fidget so they can keep themselves away from the crowd. Giving forced socialization frustrates the autistic mind. So I think he's made himself very clear here. इस पे बहुत ज़्यादा हम क्या ही बोलेंगे ना. We all know that we don't have to force things on our kids unless we give them that understanding here and कई बार हमें उनके हिसाब से चीजें मॉडिफाई करनी पड़ती है ना कि हर वक्त हम अपने बच्चों को मॉडिफाई करने के पीछे लगे रहे हैं
Forced socialization, yes, frustrate
हाँ
हो जाता है. Let make our kids to observe the things.
हम्म
For socialization, though it's not the process. It happens in a 1 or 2 days or in a few months. We have to. It develops slowly. Socialization
राइट
slowly.
या
So we have to give the time for the child to adjust with the society and all, and make the safe environment for the child also whenever we go out, comforting them, how they want to feel safe outside.
या
That is in one answer last. Most socialization frustrates autistic mind. We have to keep this in the mind and keep on working.
या दैट्स द की हियर कुछ भी चीज फोर्स नहीं करना है हाँ जी नेहा
So, how an autistic baby feels about his body, what sensory issues they feel. Is it painful or irritating or what?
okay so Navneet says autistic baby shows no signs of autism till they reach 1 or 2 years but slowly they start showing sensory signs seeking in some children hypersensitivity in some children. Don't think that all sensory system of the child is same. Some may be hyper, some may be seekers. They may feel the auditory connections more high or they may feel disconnected. Giving paying attention to their sensory system, you add activities accordingly. If child is under hypersensitive, they feel pain in listening to the loud sounds and bright vision lights. So giving an eye contact, autistic child have sensory issues because there are imbalances in the nervous system. So basically again the we need to identify कि कहाँ है. You have to be observant, very you have to be a keen observer that which sensory system is more seeking and then accordingly provide activities and keep
Yes. Sensory
keep
diet is
evaluating.
diet.
Right. Yeah.
Like the way we for the if शुगर और बीपी के लिए जैसे हम लोग कैसे मेडिसिन कैसे लेते हैं अकॉर्डिंगली नो, जैसे वैसे ही सेंसरी डाइट के लिए भी प्रॉपर डाइट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर हाइपर एंड हाइपर सेंसिटिव.
बिल्कुल.
We have to balance the nervous system. What is
Hmm.
this I want to tell you? वो
I'm
दोनों
sure most
दोनों
of the
चीज
parents
देखा है मैं. uh, and I have seen him seeking and for and sensitivity also, you know. दोनों रूप देखा है मैंने उसका भी. But seeking we can manage, you know. Seeking means by giving the proper diet, sensory diet we can manage. But if the
Hmm.
child is hypersensitive, then
Hmm.
it will be very painful for them. You know. Whatever the sensory system, if it is hypersensitive, that will be very painful for the child. And when he was 5 years old, he was very hypersensitive, you know, to the auditory system and all. Hmm. इतना शोर शराबा ये whenever
Yeah.
he
So,
used to go in the wrong places and all, no, it used to
hmm.
disturb him a lot. कभी कभी तो because of that, you know, head bangings whole night he used to bang his head, you know, at night. But he has suffered a lot because of this hypersensitivity of auditory system.
I know,
Uh,
Neha, there's a phase wherein all our children have been through that hypersensitive phase. वियान को तो हम कंट्रोल ही नहीं कर पाते थे. He used to run around the society, गेट के बाहर चला जाता था.
hmm.
We couldn't attend any marriage functions, society functions. Marriage functions तो छोड़ दो, जो छोटे छोटे सोसाइटी के functions होते हैं हम वो नहीं अटेंड कर पाते थे. But क्या ठीक है, that's a story with all of
But
us.
you know,
One
when
thing,
whenever we used to take him out, no, when we used to take him out when there will be not in the weekends, you know, we
hmm,
used to take him out in the weekdays when there is a less crowd, you know. Then whether traveling or with the whether in the market areas or in the shopping malls, you know, now we
hmm,
used to take him when there is a less crowd in the weekdays, so that
right,
we can teach him also to adjust that
correct, correct. That's a good
slowly he
idea.
got used to it. Hmm.
That's a good
And
idea. But
the happy moment, finally I got succeeded to make him the part of the crowd, you know, was 3 years before I attended one my cousin marriage, you know, in Karnataka, and the hall was full of more than 1,000 people.
I can totally
and we were
imagine.
sitting and we were sitting in the middle taking down it, and for more than 2-3 hours he sat with us enjoying the function, you know. That day was the biggest achievement of my day, you
I
know.
can totally,
From
totally. I
taking
am understanding your feelings, Neha, because आई एम श्योर आपने ये मेरे मैसेजेस सुने होंगे पहले जब मैंने शेयर किया था कि देयर वाज अ टाइम व्हेन वियान वाज जस्ट नॉट रेडी टू इवन step into the hall which was full of crowd and then the DJ music and everything and what not we faced in that family function. And then there is a time I'll still see if I can, you know, just pull out some video clips and share it with everybody, where he is the first one to go and present and dance with everybody and just not ready to leave the hall. He wants to enjoy
they,
the function.
you know, really shocked me, and everyone started scolding me that you are over possessive towards your child. You know, he's sitting very calmly and enjoying the whole function. You are the one who start always. You have complain about your child. He
I
proved
know at
wrong
the
at
end,
that.
एट द एंड सबको ऐसा लगता है कि हम ही गलत है, हम पहले गलत बोल रहे थे, बट वी नो फ्रॉम विद इन हाउ मच इट हैज टेकन अस टू सी
He
दैट
was
ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन.
wrong.
या
That
one more
day
thing
was
before I
very
forget.
was
Before I
very
forget,
happy.
guys, Neha mentioned about sensory diet. So just as any other diet, आप कर सकते हो फॉलो. किसी एक बच्चे को उसके थेरेपिस्ट ने एक सेंसरी डाइट दी, आप फॉलो करोगे, बट देन डोंट एक्सपेक्ट रिजल्ट्स. डाइट इज ऑलवेज समथिंग विच इज इंडिविजुअलाइज्ड. हम कोई भी डाइट प्लान अपने लिए अपने न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट से अपने थेरेपिस्ट से जब लेते हैं तो दे नो व्हाट टू मेजर, व्हेन टू मेजर, हाउ मच टू गिव, व्हेन टू गिव, व्हाट इज माय नीड, व्हाट इज नॉट माय नीड. तो वो छोटी छोटी चीजें जो है ना, there's a very little things which needs to pay attention, which only a professional knows the best. Or if you have received an individualized plan from a professional, later you can, you know, modify it probably based on your experience in the past also. But ऐसे right away sensory diet को ये मत करिए आप कि हमने देख लिया ये 4 sensory activities have worked for a particular issue in one child, so it will work for my child also. It's purely a hit and trial.
sensitivity of the child you work, what he is also. Uh,
Yeah, I mean it may work, it may not work, but it is purely हिट एंड ट्रायल थिंग। जैसे मैंने होम्योपैथी मेडिसिन का बोला ना, अगर आपको सर्दी हुई, आपने एकोनाइट खाया, आपको फायदा हुआ, मैं भी आप मेरे सिम्टम्स भी आपके जैसे हैं, मैं भी एकोनाइट खा लूंगी, पर जरूरी नहीं है कि मुझे फायदा होगा ही होगा, हो भी सकता है, नहीं भी हो सकता है। बट
depends
इफ आई
upon your
कंसल्ट
body.
डॉक्टर, exactly. So if I consult a doctor, the doctor would be able to guide me and tell me कि अगर आपको एकोनाइट 30 से फायदा नहीं हुआ तो आप एकोनाइट 6 लेनी थी या 200 लेनी थी या उसके साथ कुछ और लेनी थी, या एकोनाइट लेनी ही नहीं थी, कोई और लेनी थी। So you always need a professional guidance or support or an experienced parent who can guide you the right way. तो
Yes.
ये सब सेंसरी इज अ वेरी कॉम्प्लेक्स सिस्टम, येट वेरी सिंपल अगर हम उसको सही तरीके से अप्रोच करें तो।
We have to whatever the census, we have to implement it in a proper way.
Yeah, that's what I said. It appears to be very simple. It is little complex, but a simple complex system, I would say in short. ठीक है, next question पे जाते हैं। हाँ निया।
uh, how to understand sensory need of a child as he is not expressive.
Okay. So first you have to know whether your child is hypersensitive or a sensory seeker. For him, proper sensory diet is needed. Tools to calming and alerting you can get in online. Take activities accordingly. Feel that you are your son's good therapist. Educate yourself knowing about the sensory diet. See, the same thing which we just discussed,
Very
Navneet is also
important.
mentioning. We need to educate ourselves, but we don't need to just follow blindly or randomly that something has worked for someone, so it will work for my child also. We need to understand the right technique and technicalities behind it.
That's very important. Even
Mhm.
he is also using that calming and alerting.
Right.
We have-
Yeah. Okay. So next, Yanya.
uh, my son is sensitive to food. He becomes very hyper with sugar, sweet. How to his gut issue? And my son has all skills, but still he is not effective communicator and independent. Please guide me.
Okay. So the first, he is given this answer in 3 points. The first point is right from developing stage, the child shows sensitivity to some food. So routine dietary supplements will always be needed for the child. Just sharing my experience. I was very sensitive to soft textured foods. Food using texture of a child's need works good. So to introduce new food and put always flavors added of child's, which is child's favorite, and introduce all the flavors you know. Give him jaggery by replacing it to sugar. Too much eating of sugar sweets. Second thing he says, the child becomes hyper because glucose level in the body increases and it affects digestive system. Eating more sugar kills good bacteria in the gut. And then he says having good communication needs a good understanding of language. So work on the receptive language and play games on guessing the things. More you interact with your child, more he will socialize. Give him more work on building cognition. For me, too much fun I used to have when Neha used to take me to different word games. No dictation, only on seeing the objects I used to describe about the objects. So fun filled activities, more scavenger hunt we used to play. Wow. I love this duo, Navneet and Neha.
Uh,
So,
so right from starting, with the first point, actually, I was very strict about his diet. Since from the first when he was child, I was very strict. Sugar, so I have. He was not so much addict to the sugar sweets and all, but I used to give him jaggery. But he was having very sensitivity to soft textured foods, and rice also. He was having the chewing problem. He was not used to chew the food properly, at that time. And the papads and the crunchy food was his favorite. So to make him to chew the food properly, especially the rice, I used to mix the poppers and in the rice, and I used to make him to eat, and slowly he got used to the rice, eating rice, chewing properly and all, and adding some favorite vegetables of his, that worked me a lot, especially the peas and carrots. Is his favorite. Hello.
Yes, Neha. Yes, Neha.
I started adding his favorite vegetables in that to make his favorite dish, So he started slowly. He got used to that, but it took a lot of time, Not it was not an experiment of 1 or 2 days. He slowly got used to that. It took me many months, for getting used all to this soft textures food and all. But I tried. I kept on trying making new experiments with this, but I don't know that the second what he has wrote is glucose level in the body increase and all. Yeah. You may explain it better than me. I think so.
Yeah, actually, actually, there's nothing much to explain in that, Neha. He's just given a little scientific understanding. Navneet is like, a multi-talented child. He is more than a human being. He knows everything. He's a genius.
More,
So
more than the people he interact with, his stomach, his gut, his kidney, organs, all the
exactly,
body organs, he
yeah.
is more connected with that, all his organs, body organs.
So
So he
I
is
have
communicating.
I keep all my medical knowledge aside, all my yogic knowledge aside, all my knowledge of that comes from the sound healing. I keep that aside, and now I want to keep my special education knowledge also aside. I just follow him as a blind follower. Navneet ne bola hai, so he's coming out of his experience, or it is
No,
his
see,
intuitions.
I want to know, as a doctor, I want to know it. I'm very curious to know this point from you also, Does really
There's nothing. See,
it
everything.
kills the bacteria in the gut?
Yeah,
I want to
see,
know.
sugar has no benefit. It's not giving us any benefit. And there's
Hmm.
a whole cycle of glycogen, glucose, and all. So let's not get into that complexity. For any parent, you just take the your takeaway from this is that sugar is not going and not doing any good, but only harm to the entire digestive system. And digestive system is very directly connected with the way our brain functions. तो
Yes.
इसीलिए डाइजेस्टिव और ब्रेन को थोड़ा सा कोऑर्डिनेशन में दोनों को आपस में खुश रखते हुए हमें चलना है एंड दिस इनडायरेक्टली अफेक्ट्स अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स तो आप लोगों ने कई बार ये सुना भी होगा GFCF SF पहले सिर्फ GFCF चलता था ग्लूटेन
Yes.
फ्री
Yes.
फिर आया
Gluten.
ग्लूटेन फ्री केसीन फ्री फिर आया ग्लूटेन फ्री केसीन फ्री शुगर फ्री तो
Hmm.
इट्स जस्ट
Then
गेटिंग
lactose free,
हाँ
lactose free. Oh, so
हाँ
bad.
So there is, like we've discussed in the previous slides also, everything is very scientific. गलत कुछ भी नहीं है, but you need to really understand what is it that is working in your
Hmm.
child's brain and heart and mind and body everything, और
Hmm.
उसको आप एक प्रोफेशनल असिस्टेंट से अपनी अंडरस्टैंडिंग से समझ के बच्चे के साथ उस हिसाब से काम करिए. The thing has to
When
be individualized.
the professionals also give a trial and uh, uh, make us to observe, 6 months तक ट्रायल कीजिए, आप ऑब्जर्व
Hmm.
कीजिए कैसा रहता है, स्टमक इश्यूज वगैरह, कॉन्स्टिपेशन है क्या, आपको ऑब्जर्व करना पड़ता है. दिस इज व्हाट द इवन द डॉक्टर्स आल्सो से इट, दैट इट्स अ
Right.
ट्रायल. And even I tried GFCF type diet, 5 years back. Yeah. Even I also used this, but more, but one or
Yeah, that's
one
what I'm
more
saying, no,
than one
Neha.
year
For
I.
some,
Mm,
for some, it may have worked, but not necessarily that
but
GFCF
not
diet
I.
will work for every autistic child.
But it has not worked for me, for Navneet, more constipation she got, and with lot of deficiencies,
Right.
HP में थोड़ा विटामिन डी डेफिशिएंसी आ गया, कैल्शियम थोड़ा ये हो गया उसका, it got a adverse effect, then I stopped it. And
Mhm.
started working, and I kept in the mind तो कि जो भी खाना है उसके हिसाब से equal to level it, we have to do keep focus on more on exercising, giving the
Exercise, the
physical
gross
activity.
motor. Correct,
That
correct, correct.
एक ये मिल गया मुझे means whatever he eats he should have that, he should get digested it with the physical activities, then that
Yeah,
really works for Navneet.
absolutely,
That really,
absolutely. Huh.
mm. Even I stopped milk also for him.
Hmm.
Means he became very weak in the 2 years when I started GFCF diet. Because to replace that calcium, because I stopped the milk, at that time. So to replace it, I wanted to introduce him the eggs, boiled eggs, and all omelette. But he was very sensitive to that smell. सिर्फ ऐसे टेनिस बॉल देखा तो भी वो उल्टी जैसा फेस करता
अच्छा.
था. when so धीरे धीरे, but I was using the using that diet, but it was necessary for me to introduce the calcium also, to
Hmm.
replace that milk. So I started, yeah, how should I introduce this boiled egg to him? He was flavored fellow, just like me. Flavors बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद था उसे. Means one day I prepared egg curry for him, adding his flavors, the garlic and all the masalas of his favorite, and smashed all the eggs with crushed in that, food. Then वो smell भी नहीं आया, पता भी नहीं चला. Then slowly he got used to that egg, and धीरे धीरे he started loving eating omelette also.
बढ़िया, बढ़िया. So you have found out all the tips and strategies to, मतलब you've always focused on the
Was
solution
the
and found
experiment
it.
phase, but GFCF diet not that much worked for my son. Then I go after trying this GFCF diet, and after trying this for 2 years, then I came into GFCF diet. ये gluten का test करवाया उसका, food allergy
अच्छा.
test I got.
Okay,
Then
okay.
there was all the reports was normal.
Hmm.
All the reports, yeah, he was not allergic to gluten or any other casein. Then I
Nice.
started using my mantra at that time. Stop this GFCF diet
Mother's
and
mantra. Mother's mantra is the ultimate solution to everything.
last
Yeah,
for the least comes with our experiments.
that's what. Yeah, ना.
Then
अच्छा.
it worked.
नेहा, आई एम सो सॉरी, बीच बीच में मुझे कैमरा ऑफ करना पड़ रहा है क्योंकि वो आंखों में ऐसा ऐसा होने लग रहा है. तो इफ यू फाइंड मी गोइंग ऑफ स्क्रीन तो आप ये मत सोचना कि आवाज नहीं आ रही है. एज लॉन्ग एज यू कैन हियर मी, आई एम हियर. ठीक है. तो
Sure.
अगर ऐसा होगा तो आई लेट यू नो. ठीक है. तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ना. या.
Really, I think this is the continue of the question, or I don't know really.
नो, आई थिंक इट्स अ. अच्छा, आप पढ़ो. लेट्स सी.
Really, this is a big worry for me as a parent. My kid does hand movements at the corner of the eyes and look into it. He likes to see through net like structure. He likes to see borders of furniture, light shadows on furniture walls. Whenever he gets time, he will do this only. Please explain me how to understand this. Is this his need, and how to stop this behavior in social places?
Okay. So Navneet says your child is doing this. Your child is doing what his brain showing to normalize his vision. Child is doing it because he's calming himself through that vision stimming. Don't stop it. Replace it with taking eye gazing games. Give him light fidgeting to use. If he likes to play with shadows, make it like a play game, like torch on the dark wall, and make him to hit the light with the ball. You can carry the light changing balls in social place and take their needs to feel them comfortable in public places. So this I am sure ये पहले से भी आपको किसी पेरेंट ने या किसी प्रोफेशनल ने गाइड किया होगा. इट्स जस्ट दैट वी मिस आउट ऑन दीज थिंग्स और बार बार हम उस चीज का प्रेशर ले लेते हैं एंड वी जस्ट वांट टू curb that thing, we want to stop that thing, but it's not going to stop. It's a little bitter truth. We have to redirect, rechannelize and add some meaning to it, जो बात
Yes,
नवनीत
yes.
ने भी यहाँ कही है. So एंड विथ टाइम इट कम्स, मतलब धीरे धीरे जैसे हमारे बच्चे ग्रो करते हैं, हम भी उन चीजों को मैनेज करना सीखते जाते हैं. इट
We
इज
will
नॉट
get
easy for any parent. हम भी परेशान होते थे. I mean, I still remember Vian's दादी was very worried and she used to say ये ऐसे और करेगा, ये तो पहले नहीं करता था, ये बंद कर दिया, इसने फिर से चालू कर दिया. आज हमने उसको देखा, वो नीचे गया था तो वो वॉल्स को ऐसे 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 देख रहा था, तो खुशबू ये कब जाएगा, ये कब ठीक होगा. बट
mm,
विथ टाइम, आई मीन, अब जितने वीडियोस आप वियान के देखते हैं, कहीं आपको दिखता है कुछ भी ऐसा करता हुआ. So with time
mm.
we learn how to handle it and redirect it and
The way we tell, no, this if the child is having this stimming nature, no, if we stop one and the another stimming nature will start doing.
right,
So
right,
you have to replace it and take give them a meaning with taking the proper activities. What
right.
I will
Give them the
do this.
meaning and also जो पहली वाली स्लाइड्स में नवनीत ने लिखा है कि उस चीज के रीजन को समझें हम. What is bothering them from within, जिसके कारण वो खुद को काम डाउन करना चाह रहे हैं. लेकिन हम फोकस करते हैं कि वो काम डाउन खुद को कैसे कर रहा है, उस चीज को खत्म करें.
Yes,
हाँ,
yes.
तो वो काम डाउन करने की नौबत आई क्यों, अंदर किस चीज को लेके वो परेशान है, तो वो समझना इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट. हाँ जी मैम.
What type of music helps you calm down when anxious?
कहाँ थे हम? हाँ. So listening to soothing music helps nervous system to calm down. Kind of sound of waterfall, singing birds is too much soothing for my aura. First, make the child to sit in one place and gently give the joint compressions, and then the child will focus on listening music. There are many instrumental musics also which make kind of calming techniques for mind. You can search in YouTube, right brain and left brain activates at a time from music. म्यूजिक पे अपन पिछले वाले में भी काफी बात कर चुके हैं, काफी डिटेल में हमने डिस्कशन किया है. एक ऐप में जरूर बताना चाहूंगी यहाँ पे. एक वो एंटी स्ट्रेस करके ऐप आती है, या तिब्बतियन साउंड हीलिंग्स वाले जो बोल्स हैं, है ना, तो हम तो रियल बोल्स के साउंड प्ले करते हैं. बट इफ यू वांट टू गिव इट अ ट्राई, देयर आर सम एप्स. आप तिब्बतियन साउंड हीलिंग नाम से सर्च करना एंड यू विल हैव डिफरेंट बोल साउंड्स. जस्ट ट्राई दैट आउट फॉर योर किड्स and see how much it is working. And mantras, instrumentals, flute के जो instrumentals है ना, जैसे गायत्री मंत्र
Flute
का,
is very beautiful.
very
Flute के तो
beautiful.
इतने अच्छे
And
very soothing.
फ्लूट का साउंड इज वेरी थेरेप्यूटिक, वेरी थेरेप्यूटिक. तो अगर आपको कोई इंस्ट्रूमेंटल्स चलाने हैं या मंत्रा विथ इंस्ट्रूमेंटल with a little music in the background, to look for something which is some mantras which are like instrumented in the flute as a musical instrument, है ना.
Yes, yes.
और भी हैं बहुत सारे मंत्रास, तो दैट वी कैन कनेक्ट ऑन द ग्रुप गाइस, है ना. इस पे हम पहले भी बहुत बात कर
What
चुके
is
हैं.
telling
तो
now what left and right brains activates at a time from music is telling. Music is the right or left brain activates at a time from music.
राइट, राइट एंड लेफ्ट ब्रेन एंड देन बॉडी एंड माइंड, उसके बीच में भी एक कनेक्शन म्यूजिक हेल्प्स अस फॉर्म. ठीक है जी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. इसमें मुझे एक बात याद आई अभी प्राणायामा सेशंस वाली, पर अभी लास्ट में देखते हैं, टाइम बचा तो फिर आई विल शेयर.
हाँ. My daughter has serious mouthing problem. She always chews something in the mouth that may be eatable or non-eatable things. If nothing she gets, then thumb sucking. I do face massage, towel biting, finger brush massage, chewy sucking, blowing activities, but nothing has improved the situation. How can I help her to overcome this problem?
Okay. Wow, a good long answer. So Navneet says to your daughter, getting chewing the things shows that she is seeking for proprioception, the movement which is difficult for body to make. Sometimes they meet the needs through chewing things. The sense of taste should be introduced to a child for knowing the difference between an eatable and a non-eatable thing. Don't think the child is having only sensory issues. Sometimes the reason may be different. Sometimes the reason may be different also. Autistic brain is always in stress and under anxiety. So chewing sometimes relief from the stress. So they go for chewing things. You find out first whether it's a sensory seeking or the stress which is making her chew. Taking more physical activities, especially going towards fun. Turn physical activities towards reinforcing so that the child gets motivated. तो ये तो नवनीत मापा ने एक्सप्लेन ही कर दिया है पूरा. Neha, do you want to add something?
Yes, he was also having chewing issues when he was around 3 or 4 years old. जैसे धीरे धीरे slowly when I started taking all these physical activities and all, sensory activities and all oral activities, and slowly it got reduced. When he came to know about all the senses like taste, smell, and all, what is the difference between, when he came to know about eatable and non-eatable things, the difference between this, then slowly totally it stopped.
Stop. और मुझे एक चीज और क्लिक की नहीं है, जैसे अभी हम पिछले क्वेश्चन में डिस्कस कर रहे थे, हम स्टिम को कंट्रोल करने की कोशिश करने की बजाय ये अंडरस्टैंड करें कि अंदर ऐसा चल क्या रहा है जिसके कारण ये स्टिम आ रहा है. तो लेट्स वर्क ऑन द रूट्स फर्स्ट. यहाँ भी वही चीज है जो नवनीत ने कहा है ना, सेंसरी है कि स्ट्रेस है, पहले तो वी नीड टू फिगर दैट आउट. इफ वी अंडरस्टैंड इट इज सेंसरी, तो कौन सा सेंसरी, क्या चीजें ऊपर हैं क्या नीचे हैं, लेट्स ट्राई एंड वर्क ऑन बैलेंसिंग दैट फर्स्ट. And if that thing this mother has already tried and nothing seems to be working, then probably it is we are not working in the right direction, and we need to understand the other aspect of it कि ये सिर्फ स्ट्रेस से आ रहा है क्या, या स्ट्रेस और सेंसरी दोनों है. So the solution, the working pattern will change. So I'm sure every answer is taking us in a direction where we need to dive deep in understanding the roots and the reasons where things are coming from.
Yes. They may be the reason of anxiety, and it may be the reason, sometimes even for Navneet also, before I think 4 5 years back, he used to get up at night because, and he will not, he was not used to get hungry, but sometimes he used to in maybe because of the stress, he feels like eating, at night.
Stress eating, correct.
He used to eat the snacks also at that time. That is what he has experienced and what he has written. Means though in both the ways, he he has experienced it.
Right. In fact we all do, Neha. मतलब आप देखो बहुत सारे लोग पहले जब अपन छोटे थे तो we used to chew that chewing gum और हमें वो करके कितना अच्छा लगता था. We used to find it so soothing. एंड अभी भी अपन कुछ ना कुछ ऐसे छोटे छोटे स्लाइट मूवमेंट्स करते रहते हैं. जैसे अभी मैं आपसे बात करते करते नीचे मेरा पैर हिल रहा है. So some kind of movement our body is always making. So it could be sensory, it could be some kind of stress. जैसे मुझे अंदर से थोड़ा सा भी अच्छा नहीं लग रहा जो मैं बार बार कैमरा ऑफ कर रही हूँ एंड ऑल. तो very subtle, very feeble, but वो है stress which is coming out in some form or the other. So that is what we need to find.
Calming the brain is very important. What are the ways? The more the brain is calm, then all the sensory issues, whatever the sensory or the stimming nature, it will reduce when our brain is
calm.
Brain is calm.
Hanji, next.
He has very acute hearing and speaks very loud. Can you throw some light on this?
Okay. One second.
He is so much little bit confused. I think even I was confused with this.
Yeah. So he says, you have not mentioned it is acute hearing abilities or acute hearing loss. See, yeah, he's correct in a way because we need to understand कि ये कोई medical issue है या sensory issue है. If it is an acute hearing ability, then we need to handle it differently. If it is an acute hearing loss, so hearing the sounds of what we speak will echo while reading, writing, and talking. Right way to recognize the sound is making him to listen music with low tone pitch. So while feeling the low tone music, he will get frequency from different waves. Low wave in the ear, that is one part for reading the sound. But you are telling he's acute hearing. How can he prefer to talk loudly if he's keen to hearing? In fact, loud sounds will disturb a sensitive ear. If he speaks loudly, there may be other reason related to emotions. When a person is angry or disturbed from inside, their tone becomes high. So, if whichever parent has put up this question, if you are listening to this answer of Navneet, I would suggest either in the comments box you can drop in a question and connect with Navneet live, or you can reach out to him on the group, on the personal chat, whatever is comfortable for you, and discuss this at length, because this question itself is little uh, confusing, and I think more discussion on this will clarify things for both of you. Navneet will be able to give you better inputs once he understands that what exactly is the query here. No?
I love the video on this, what you have shared recently on the group, talking with Vihan in the low pitch, how to introduce the tone, the
Yep.
teaching. Uh, uh, the style that is a that helps a lot of parents, for the to know the to teach the kids how to to know about the sound of the tone,
my
the
my
correct,
my tone is never peaceful and low here. You should listen to
Same
it
thing.
live.
Uh, mm, Recently, I think you have shared
Hmm.
one video talking with me in this teaching the tone groups. So tone may and it was a little conversation between talks between you and Vihan on this tone.
You know,
I saw that.
there's
Mm,
a patient of mine from UK. I mean, she's not
uh,
related to autism. That's a different case altogether. But she keeps telling me this, that since she's not, I will definitely share this video with her. वो मुझे बोलती है कि खुशबू, even though I don't need the medicines anymore, but I do want to schedule a follow up call with you. You know the reason why? Because when I talk to you, I feel your voice is sending me some kind of healing. तो बस मुझसे बात कर लिया करो. मुझे एकदम
mm,
से वो याद आ गया, how much a voice can impact. I mean,
yes,
the way
Roots.
we talk and how we talk. तो वो वही चीज है बच्चों को. तो मे बी नवनीत इज ऑल्सो ट्राइंग टू से कि वो
Mm,
बैलेंस फाइंड आउट करना है हमको, कि
mm,
एग्जैक्टली लाउड साउंड बॉदर कर रही हैं, या ही इज टॉकिंग आउट लाउड टू फुलफिल हिज डिजायर, उसको वो
mm.
लाउड सीकिंग हो रहा है. तो वो थोड़ा सा समझना पड़ेगा. सो आई वुड सजेस्ट दिस पेरेंट टू
And
कनेक्ट विद.
last also what he is telling, जब भी गुस्सा आता है तो obviously tone जो है वो high हो जाता है. Maybe there may be also the reason he is telling. Whatever the, if we get this proper question, then we can go for the
Right, right. Yeah. So,
can
in fact,
reply
not
to.
only this pairing, for other questions also, guys, wherever you feel that you need more clarity on the answers or you want to discuss further, you can connect with us on the Sigan Mantras Telegram group. And if you want, I can put up a separate message as discussion with Navneet, and you can continue with your discussion in one place. Like, एक वो पूरा trail of messages बन जाएगा. So I'll do that today itself, soon after the
So
session.
whatever we are doing, it's for the parents only, if
Right.
they
Yeah.
get the clear answers, then only it is going to work. All the
And
webinars we are doing,
also, don't wait for me or Neha to put up some message before you start discussing. The group is open. It's a group for everybody. Feel free to discuss, talk to whoever you want, to Navneet, to Neha, to me, to other parents, to anybody on the group. Just feel free. It's your group. हम लोगों के एक्टिव रहने ना रहने से ग्रुप पे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ना चाहिए. ठीक है? So
Yes.
on that note, we'll move to the next question. Yeah.
How we can control hand flapping?
Hmm. So, hand flapping happens for two reasons: excitement or disturbance in mind. We cannot control that stimming nature, but shifting, avoiding that behavior to some fidgeting tools makes them to feel comfortable. Fidgeting tools are very, very different for large hands and for tripod, and anyone can do fidgeting. You can use something like scale, pencils, small smiley balls, acupressure balls, spiky balls, light fidget. So when a child fidgets, another different animation creates in mind to see those and imagine things fastly and create a unique form of reading, tinkering things, framing under their mind. Stimming nature cannot be controlled, it should be replaced. Please, parents, Accept your child with reading their mind. Show your feelings too for the things they are attracted with and free them to explore. Don't try to control. A very strong message put forward in very clear, open, and simple words.
When he wrote his answer, I died laughing. Then he told me that you are insulting me. You are making fun of me. He told
No, but
always miss.
if we are
What a
looking for
nice
solutions,
description he is giving for the large muscles and for the tripod.
yeah,
He has done a master degree in fidgeting. I think
degree PhD कर लिया. नहीं,
every room he is having the fidgeting toys. कहाँ पे नहीं मिलेगा वो बताओ मुझे.
yeah,
And he is telling we also should get attracted to the things what they are used to.
correct.
So,
और हर
so
चीज
I
का
asked Navneet,
solution,
so
हर
I
चीज का
asked Navneet,
solution.
आप fidgeting करते हो, means even I should respect and I should start fidgeting like tools like you, and I will I will keep all your fidgeting tools with me while sleeping. I will respect.
No, true, true. But I will still emphasize on his last line that we should not try to control and find out why they are doing it, because eventually हर चीज का आंसर एक स्वीट आंसर नहीं हो सकता. We have to accept certain things which are bitter also. और अगर आज नवनीत ने straight on face बोला है कि accept and don't try to control, try to understand, show your feelings also. It might sound bitter abhi, but once we start working in this direction, I'm sure we will be happy with the results that we see. So
Instead of flapping the hands, if we give any the fidgeting toys, means it give the right meaning for that behavior.
yeah,
Always be, in the crowd place or in whenever we go out, that if the child flaps his hand, it looks so funny, and for the others also. And if we give the right way so that his need will be fulfilled, and for others also it may not look odd, then it will be better. We have to find the ways in such a way that his needs, whatever the need they are seeking, they are needed. We
so
have to
I'll tell
fulfill
you,
that.
I'll tell you one thing which happened recently. I was at my mom's place. अभी मैं कल ही आई हूँ मुंबई वापस. And Vian
Mhm.
had made a couple of friends there. Mera zero involvement. I did not involve in getting him make the friends. Neither was I giving him enough time. I had gone there to give my eyes some rest and do something that keeps me happy. तो थोड़े थोड़े अपने classes, sessions ये लिए, आराम किया, सब कुछ किया. I did not pay any attention to Vian. And
Mhm.
he started with this hand fidgeting once again. ठीक है, तो कैसा वाला
Mhm.
कर रहा था? एक हाथ में मुट्ठी और एक हाथ में ऐसा फैन. He had never done this earlier. I don't know if you're able to see me completely. एक हाथ में
Mhm.
मुट्ठी और एक हाथ में फैन.
Mhm.
एंड आई हैड दैट लिटिल ब्लीकेस्ट थोड़ा सा वो थॉट आया कि अब ये दोबारा आ गया, अब कैसे काम करूं मैं. आई फर्स्ट नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड वेयर दिस इज कमिंग फ्रॉम एंड आई डिड नॉट आस्क हिम. थोड़ी देर बाद मैंने इसको देखा. ही वाज प्लेइंग विद हिज फ्रेंड, द नेबरहुड फ्रेंड्स दैट ही हैड मेड. वो उनको घर लेकर आया, उनके साथ बैठा एंड ही वाज सर्चिंग फॉर सम टॉयज. जब उसको नहीं मिला, ही स्टूड अप एंड देन अगेन ही स्टार्टेड डूइंग दिस. तो
Mhm.
उसके फ्रेंड ने पूछा, तू ये क्या कर रहा है? ही सेड,
Mhm.
वो मिला नहीं ना मुझे फैन, मैं बन गया हूँ फैन, अब तुम थोड़ा भागो. You run from here. You run
Mhm.
from here. I'm the wind blower. You run. So, they have something going on in their mind.
Yes,
तो
so
अगर
they
हम
have. uh,
हाँ, so if the child is expressing, that's definitely एक
Yes,
हमारे लिए वो अच्छी बात है.
no to
But if the child
express.
is
That is the
हाँ,
plus. No to express. But every child, who are the other kids, they may be having the reason, whatever they are doing, the
right,
stepping or hand tapping, whatever but you have to observe whether if
we
he
have
is
to observe.
expressive, then you ask them what makes
Yeah,
you to do like this, whatever
right.
the moment.
So
Then you
I
might
got the
ask.
solution. जब मुझे
Hmm.
रीजन समझ में आया तो मुझे सोल्यूशन मिला उसका. मैंने उसको बना के दिया पेपर से, जो हम वो विंडमिल फैन बनाते हैं. मैंने उसको बोला, तुम
Hmm.
ये पकड़ो अपने हाथ में और इस हाथ में तुम
Hmm.
कोई भी एक चीज पकड़ लो. तो उसने वो पकड़ के उसको बनाया अच्छा विंडमिल फैन. तो
No,
इफ यू
when
रिप्लेस, यू गिव सम
uh,
ऑब्जेक्ट.
Navneet was small, no, one around 3 or 4 years old. He used to clap his hand at that time. But what to replace it, I was not knowing all. It happened, with a coincidence. Just I
या
gave him the scale or pencil at that time, and he got used to that, some balls and
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So even Vian had a lot of hand flapping, बहुत ज्यादा था, लेकिन it
mm,
keeps coming on and off. तो हमें घबराना नहीं है. We just need to identify the reason. बच्चा
mm,
एक्सप्रेस कर पाए चाहे ना कर पाए, we need to go down to their level and try to figure out कि ये हो क्यों रहा है. And once you know, solution अपने आप आ जाता है ना?
even I will not stop Navneet from fidgeting, whenever he is idle, no, not having any physical activities or sitting idle, no, he does a fidget, he do a fidgeting a lot. But I
Yeah.
will not disturb. I respect, means whatever, something may be running in his mind, even I
Yeah.
go near him, will disturb him sometimes, he will, he will get angry
Hmm.
on me. Sometimes when he will be in serious discussion,
Also,
I,
also our kids are great thinkers, and somebody who's deeply engrossed in thinking, they have some kind of fidgeting going on. एक राइटर को भी आप देखिए तो ऐसे 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 पेन पेंसिल कुछ ना कुछ चलता रहता है, हाथ पैर फिजिट होते रहते हैं, and that's when their thoughts flow. So ठीक है, that's a very good thing, Neha, you shared that you don't disturb him and you respect his fidgeting
I will
behavior
not.
also.
And he is also comfort, and I am also comfort. Whenever
Yeah.
we go out, also in everywhere there is fidgeting tools in my
Hmm.
house full of fidgeting tools. कहीं पे भी spoons, जो भी अगर kitchen का fidgeting tools अलग है. आपको explain
अच्छा.
करती हूँ. मैंने भी PhD करके रखा है इसमें fidgeting
सही
tools
है.
में. Whenever he comes in the bedrooms, he takes pens or pencils. That will get easily, he will get it, in the bedroom, pen or pencils, कुछ भी. अगर kitchen में
Yeah.
गया तो वो spoons, different types of spoons, heavy spoons, and if he want, his hands are paining a little, and he will take light spoons to fidget. He is
हाँ.
very so,
नहीं ठीक है, चलो. So
but we have to respect.
हाँ जी, बिल्कुल, वी डू हैव टू, एंड थैंक यू सो मच नेहा फॉर शेयरिंग दैट एंड एम्फसाइजिंग ऑन दैट टू, क्योंकि हम वो नहीं करेंगे तो हम कुछ नहीं कर पाएंगे. दैट इज एक्चुअली द
He is
फाउंडेशन.
requesting, in this answer only, he is requesting us, get used to show your feelings too for that fidgeting.
या.
So I started
या.
showing my feelings to all his fidgeting tools. No, I start feeling them.
या. ओके, सो लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. हाँ जी.
When the child is looking through the corner of their eyes, what exactly goes in their mind at that moment?
So peripheral vision is just seeing the people through the corner of the eyes, because to some kids it is hard to do direct eye contact. So child make his need to close the object near him and see it. That is the एक मिनट, ये मेरा विजुअल परसेप्शन थोड़ा गड़बड़ हो गया पेरिफेरल विजन पढ़ने के उसमें. एक सेकेंड, आई रीड इट फ्रॉम द स्टार्टिंग. Peripheral vision is just seeing the people through the corner of the eyes, because to some kids it's hard to do direct eye contact. So child make his need to close the objects near him and see it. That is another way of gazing through corner of the eye. Thinking will differ from one child to the other, but towards understanding the thoughts in mind, you have to guess towards it. In understanding their mind, I may help you by giving my example. To me, I don't feel much gazing on corner of the eye, but numbers I see when I look at playing piano, and I love on counting through humming to read numbers on each button. Understanding to me make too much humor to you, but it's really amazing playing numbers. More you like being in mindful, more you create making innovative things. Wow. Wow. नेहा, क्या क्या चलता
I
है
came
एग्जैक्टली
to
व्हेन
know,
ही इज प्लेइंग दैट पियानो?
whenever he used to play piano, I was not knowing this. Many things, I'm coming to know.
या,
It was
दैट्स व्हाट, वही मैंने पूछा, चलता क्या है एग्जैक्टली व्हेन ही इज प्लेइंग द पियानो? व्हाट एग्जैक्टली ही इज ट्राइंग टू शेयर विद अस?
the numbers. He with that tune, he feel the numbers. शायद addition, subtraction सब भी चल रहा होगा दिमाग में उसका by playing
अच्छा.
piano.
वाह वाह
Yeah.
वाह.
अभी I have to ask him more questions about this related. और भी थोड़ा expand कर सकते हैं क्वेश्चन उसको पूछ के.
हाँ, पूछना ना उससे, मैं
Yes, yes.
पूछूंगी. अब दैट विल बी माय क्वेश्चन टू हिम. Okay, so moving to the next one.
Hmm. Is there sensory issues controlled?
No, sensory issues are not controlled but replaced with other methods to meet the needs, like we discussed for stimming and other things. Giving you another experience of mine, I have many fluctuations in my nervous system, but the trigger not to happen. From being impatient, I do meditation. It gives me a divine feeling, giving just an example how I distract my mind. So, now Navneet has a very good self regulation and self understanding of his emotions and his feelings.
Regulating
But
himself.
many of our kids and parents do struggle on this front कि हम समझ तो पाए पहले हम उस लेवल पे तो आ पाए जहाँ हम समझे कि हमारा बच्चा क्या फील कर रहा है एंड देन हाउ टू हेल्प हिम एक्सप्रेस व्हाट ही इज फीलिंग एंड देन कम्स द सोल्यूशन पार्ट जो मैंने स्टार्टिंग में भी बोला ना which again is what I studied in my first semester of first नहीं कोर्स बुक में नहीं था आई वॉज रीडिंग वन बुक इन द लाइब्रेरी जिसमें ये लिखा हुआ था 3 steps टू अंडरस्टैंडिंग योर चाइल्ड्स इमोशंस एंड हेल्पिंग देम रेगुलेट इज पहला है यू अंडरस्टैंड मेक द चाइल्ड अंडरस्टैंड द इमोशंस जो मैंने कहा ना
Yes.
रिसेप्टिव पार्ट होता है देन कम्स द इमोशनल एक्सप्रेशन जब तक बच्चा समझेगा नहीं कि जैसे नेहा इज हैप्पी जब ये नवनीत को समझ में आया तो he registered that happiness is an expression and yes Neha is happy tab next time when he is feeling happy he would be able to express in a given situation wow this makes me happy so that's an emotional expression अब ये एक अच्छा एक्सप्रेशन है तो इसमें यू डोंट नीड टू रियली रेगुलेट बट अगर कोई सैड इमोशन है सैड फीलिंग है तो यू नीड टू रेगुलेट एंड यू नीड टू कंट्रोल तो यहाँ पे जैसे नवनीत को समझ में आया कि कुछ तो दिमाग में उथल पुथल चल रही है एंड आई नीड टू उसको लगाम देनी है so he knows and he has a good control on his mind he sits for meditation and he's able to work on that thing similarly we need to find out solution for
Now
our
he is
own
regulating,
emotions or feelings.
now he got that capability, he got that thing how to regulate himself, but when he was small, all the sensory diet, whatever I used, that worked a lot.
Yeah. Okay, so I mean, I just wanted to say that Navneet ने भी ये एक example share किया है. Don't take it as a generic solution that meditation is a solution for all the sensory issues या उनको
Giving
control
discrete
करने के लिए.
example, he is sharing his
Yeah,
example. It
yeah,
differs from one child to another, but you find you make the child to regulate himself by making him to use any calming techniques by using other ways also you can do whether
yeah.
you go for tactile activities or for the
हाँ
soothing
मैंने
music.
इसीलिए बोला मैंने नेहा ये चीज इसलिए बोली क्योंकि बहुत सारे पेरेंट्स दे अप्रोच टू मी हु हैव टेकन और नॉट टेकन दैट योगा ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम कि हम अपने बच्चों को मेडिटेशन कैसे सिखाएं सो इट्स नॉट एन इजी थिंग हम बच्चों के लिए मेडिटेट करें पहले उसके बाद हम उस स्टेज पे आते हैं जब हम उनको सिखाएं पहले हम तो करें पहले अपने लिए फिर हम करें अपने बच्चों के लिए इसीलिए आई वांटेड टू talk about this point that Navneet has given one example this definitely is a very good solution but आप इसको एक generic solution में
What
बना
is the sensory issues, replace and distract the mind towards using any other calming techniques is uh, to make it. But
yeah
when he was small, no, the tactile activities helped him a lot. What are the tactile activities? Whether
hmm.
the rolling the ball on his whole body, or the joint compression, and making him to the do the activities on ball physiotherapy balls. That and the brushing. What I mentioned earlier. That the tactile activities. Was the quickest effective worked a lot for this sensory disturbance
yeah
you know
okay
and
so
even when he was small I used to during the winter's time I used to rub his at the night time to have the sound sleeps I used to massage him the body hands and legs with the lotions lotion rubbings I used to
hmm.
use many times and sometime I used even for the hot water bags also, I used to give him that
Yeah.
made calming effect. The sense of touch is not the only the texture, the temperature and the vibrations. It also
Correct.
comes under
Correct.
the tactile. That other tools also work me a lot to calming techniques. Or sometimes
हाँ, ये आपने बहुत
vibrating.
सही बोला नेहा मतलब it's not just the texture it's the temperature and many other things that come along with any one
Mhm.
single object बहुत सारे needs को वो satisfy करता है
He loved to hold that hot water bag in his hand, while sleeping,
Hmm.
at night. Sometimes I used hot water bags, and sometimes vibrating machines will be, some vibrating machines will be handy, they
Hmm.
will get easy in the markets, along with the acupressure foam also.
Yeah.
You will really, that also worked a lot for me. That the
Okay.
tactile activities I used more when he was
Hmm.
small for his calming, for having sound sleep along with the music. This tactile activity I used a lot.
Good. 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 Yeah.
Yeah. So you can try the other ways also. Other than he now he is calming his sensory system with meditations and all. But
Hmm.
when he was small, I used this technique. Maybe it may be useful for other parents. You can try this also.
Yeah, मतलब अभी I don't want to get very technical on that, but meditation itself is such a tough task for us as humans. तो
Yes, yes, yes.
Navneet is an elevated soul. उसकी बात अगर हम नहीं भी करें तो we also need to understand and get into that technique fully और with full devotion and dedication. जो योगा में भी आता है वो अष्टांग योग आप लोग देखिएगा मैंने एक वेबिनार में डिस्कस किया है. It is the dharana that we are doing. धारणा के बाद ध्यान आता है फिर
Hmm.
समाधि आती है तो it's
Yes.
a step wise process तो है ना let's not take that as a
But even it's unable for me also to understand whatever
yeah
he is talking about the spirituality and all. So, so the next
hmm.
visual seeking behavior is there, hypovision.
So visual seeking is very commonly seen in autistic child. Don't always think that it is seeking, but sometimes it is also a visual stimming. No other way task to do. They seek this kind of stimming, like looking at the hands, switchboards, electric devices, lights, fans. Please give them fidgeting lights to visioning, but sometimes it may look so nonsense for people, but to an autistic child, right handling their feeling of discomfort got from many other ways from other senses. So this I think is very self-explanatory, है ना? इस पे कुछ
Disturbance in a lot of disturbance in the sensory systems
हम्म,
makes a child to go for this stimulant.
हम्म,
The way what he is
yeah,
do- expressing his experience.
okay.
So.
So
Hmm.
yeah,
It's a very complex, topic, the stimming and seeking
hmm,
nature. It is a so confusion for him. It was confusion for me also, knowing sensory seeking or sensory, it is a stimming nature. To observe
right.
it a confusion for the parent.
Very thin line
And
difference and we need to
this,
understand.
in this he has wrote his write-up, what is the difference between the stimming and the sensory seeking. He has wrote about this, explaining this experience, sharing his experience in previous write-ups. I will share it again in the group to know the difference between visual, whatever the seeking and stimming nature.
Hmm.
uh, I will share
Okay.
it.
Yeah. So the next question.
Mm. How to understand what sensory issues disturbing their night sleep.
So there are many reasons for sleep disturbances at night. Firstly, don't give heavy dinner at night. Avoid more rice at night because it gives having gastrointestinal problems at night. And many kids may have poor gut. Then gut issues makes disturbances to nervous system. Give less sweets or no sweets. Right to do jaggery sweet. Then so this first 2 points we've already discussed in that slide where the parent mentioned no about the sweets, sugar, and jaggery.
We have
Then moving
discussed.
on, yeah. So moving on to the next point. Too much of
Mm.
sounds whole day disturb the sleep at night. Sensory overload sometimes makes so much tiredness it affects the sleep at night. And too much of candida, fungal infections gives harming to good bacteria. It affects the digestive system with bloating, constipation, and diarrhea. So these are all the things that he says, and there are many more. I remember, I don't remember the category exactly, but यही question, maybe the words changed here or there, have come in other categories also. How do I manage to put my child to sleep peacefully? शायद behaviors वाले में आया था या किस में आया था नेहा मुझे याद नहीं है. But Navneet has given some more pointers there also. So I'm sure who's following this series and have visited or attended all the webinars, you would find answer to this question in more details in the previous sessions that we've done. All the recordings are put up there on the same YouTube channel.
I think he has to.
And, yeah, I can once again put the links to all the videos of Navneet. In fact, the entire playlist ka one link I will put up in the description box of this video, which you can refer to later. Yeah, so let's move
in this,
to
most of the things what he wrote he has experienced with you. He was when he was small, he was having a lot of gastrointestinal problem. He was having stomach issues a lot. Sleep is because of that he was having lack of sleep. But now the reason is different. I can see now the reason is different. Thinking. But when he was
gut as the second brain, तो वो तो डायरेक्ट कनेक्शन है ही. जैसा हमारा डाइजेशन वैसा हमारा ब्रेन चलेगा, एंड ब्रेन जैसा वैसा मन. इसीलिए वो हिंदी में भी कहावत है ना,
maybe sensory overload होगा शायद. These all the things I think he has experienced. That's why he has wrote in this. There may be many reasons we have to observe it.
हाँ, वही मैं कह रही थी, वो जो हिंदी में कहावत नहीं है, जैसा खाए अन्न वैसा होए मन. मतलब not in the very literal sense, but हमारा digestion affects our mind also.
It's not only for the autistic kids, even we also other
Exactly.
which comes other spicy whatever if we have at night, heavy food or spicy food, and even we will get the negative thoughts and even we will get disturbed. Disturbed mind.
Yeah.
Sleep disturbance हो जाता है हम it's a common fact, not only for autistic. There may be the reason. Means it's not only the sensory issues. What he is going to tell that it is no because lack of sleep disturbance. There are many reasons for it.
Yeah, that's what I said. No, that we have discussed with some different pointers in the previous sessions. So whoever is following, in fact, I would suggest ये जितनी भी series के videos हैं इस series के, आप description box में जरूर check करिए. I will keep posting and adding links later also. So that is the only place after this session ends where I can, I have a scope of adding more things or changing the links. So do follow that video ka description box. Next. Okay, so that's it. We are done with one more interesting category. Not only interesting, but very useful and
very important. It's very
yeah, absolutely. So,
and this each and every parents should know about the sensory diet. I think this is not the remedial activities or the thing that the therapist only can do at the centers and all. When the child grows old, sensory system issues never ends at a certain age. Don't know when there will be fluctuations, when the child will be in hypersensitive or hyposensitive. We have to deal with all types of these behaviors, in future when they grow up also. So if we know, we educate ourselves in this matter, then it will be easy for ourselves to handle them when they grow up also. How many years we are going to depend on the therapists and the when we have to learn about this, at least in this matter.
Absolutely.
Half of the day child will be with the parent mother. If we know how to handle our child, know the issues, sensory issues and all, then it will be very easy for or not only it has helped for me to handle my child. It will help for other parents also to handle their children if they learn in a proper way.
Correct, Neha. That's very true. We need to understand our child and then apply some strategies and techniques. And if you need any further help, any further guidance from Navneet, do connect with us. I will post the group's link also there in the description box. Apart from that, if you are looking for any other solutions or in case you miss out on the description box or something, you can visit our website www.segancure.com और वहाँ पे भी एक contact us आपको section मिलेगा. You can just drop in a message or you can email me at this and we shall connect you with Navneet. तो कुछ भी हो आप please don't feel that this video is the end of it. We are always connected and we are coming up with more videos. We still have 5 or 6 more categories left. So stay tuned for the next one, I would say. ठीक है, जल्दी ही we are coming up with that.
Coming
Alright,
up with the next category, we are coming up with autism and communication.
Autism
that
and
is also
communication.
interesting.
Right,
Yeah,
right,
no,
right.
completed.
Great. So very soon you will be listening to that as well. All right, Neha. So it was lovely talking to you, talking to Navneet actually indirectly, I would say, through this session. And I just love his answers. He's very straight, very practical, very scientific. मतलब उसके कोई भी आंसर्स ऐसे नहीं है that he has to, since he has to write answers for the parents questions, he's just doing it for the sake of it. He adds his experience, he adds his knowledge, whatever he has gathered with his experience, whatever comes from his intuition, whatever he's learning from his environment. I'm such a big fan of you, Navneet. And even though I am practicing these things like, yoga, sound healing, then the special education and homeopathy, but every single session with Navneet, the Q&A series that we are doing, I have a lot of takeaways और आज भी मेरे पास है and I'm maintaining my diary, I incorporate these things in my practice then. So thank you so much for being there, Navneet, and being that guiding star for all of us.
He is talking with his mind. May God fulfill all his wishes. He wrote today that something that was very new for me. Note to my mind. Each and every organs. I think he is coming up with. He talks with mind, brain, heart. क्या क्या आता है देखेंगे आगे आगे क्या क्या how he talks with other people.
Okay, Neha. So on that note, let's sign off for this session and meet you again very soon. It would be a different pair next time. It would not be me and Neha. Maybe it would be Neha and someone else, or like we said, it's a team. We are working together. So yeah. All right. Bye bye everyone. Bye Neha.
Bye.